I'm Marianne Enlow, Experienced Team Lead at the Sazerac House. The Sazerac House is a multi-story spirited experience that's located in downtown New Orleans. Today I'm going to demonstrate for you how to make a double barrel cocktail featuring Bowman Brothers bourbon. To do so, you'll need to have a stemmed cocktail glass. Mine's here chilling with ice. You'll also need a mixing glass, a long bar spoon, a cocktail strainer, which is just to hold back the ice, and a cocktail jigger or something to measure with. To get started, I'm gonna pour in 1.5 ounces of Bowman Brothers. Bowman Brothers is the flagship bourbon out of the A. Smith Bowman distillery. Now I'm going to add 3/4 of an ounce of dry vermouth and 3/4 of an ounce of sweet vermouth. It's important when you make cocktails at home with vermouth that you use a really fresh bottle. It's just like a wine. I'm gonna add 14 drops of Bitterman's Transatlantic Modern Aromatic Bitters and 3 dashes of orange bitters. Now I'm gonna add ice and stir. So you take that long bar spoon, put it on the inside of your mixing glass, and go ahead and give it a long stir. This cocktail is actually very old. It's a bit of an obscure classic. It was first found in a cocktail book from 1895, which had an introduction that said, "A good drink at the proper time is welcome in any clime." And that's pretty much what this drink is, a really yummy Manhattan variation that you can enjoy in both the warmer months and the cooler months. So, now that it's done and stirred, go ahead and put your cocktail strainer on and pour it in your chilled glass. Perfect. Doesn't even need a garnish. So if you'd like to learn more about Bowman Brothers, please visit the A. Smith Bowman Distillery website at asmithbowman.com. And if you'd like to learn more about the Sazerac House in New Orleans, please visit us at sazerachouse.com or come to New Orleans and give us a visit. You can also check out any of our virtual events online. In the meantime, please remember to drink responsibly, and cheers to you.